いつもこういう時に仕切り出す。
Why would you pick this one then?
Hey everyone! I'm Natsu.
I'm Ari.
I'm Ann.
I'm Maddie.
We're here in Ueno. If you know LanCul, you might recognize this place. If you don't know LanCul, then you have to come here and check it out. The cafe is called Route Books. You can chill out, have a coffee and so on, but it's not the only thing they do here. Because we're here and we have a mission.
We're gonna try today woodwork.
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's go.
ツールだとこれも比較的簡単で、また
絶対無理。
I'm just gonna square. So easy.
That's yours.
What? Yeah, what? What is going on?
What is that?
Wait, I think I missed the perspective.
No, why are you like looking up? これは looking up の絵。
It's because
あれの looking up. That's not looking down. こたつじゃないよ。We're gonna be doing 2 and 2, like a team work or something. So I'm gonna be with Ari. Ari Natsuno.
stool, baby. Let's go.
We're Team Shelf. We're going to be making a shelf for Maddie. She needs one. So
I
we'll do
need
our best.
Let's do
We
it.
got this. この6センチは
I thought it's 3メートルがミリだから3センチかなと思ったら30センチでしたね。
そうですね。You cannot put this here. It's like here.
That's what he said. We leave like a
It's
little
easier than that.
Yeah.
maybe like 0.5 cents. いつもこういう時に仕切り出す。
Do it here.
How long?
The corner, because you can put it around. 見て。あ、いいっすよ。
Can we use
30センチ。
じゃあここもここも。
That's okay. Should be fine.
That's okay.
Should be fine. Should be fine.
No, I don't. If you look at my どういうこと 22?
That's that. Huh?
how about 22?
22. Why?
Down, like push it down. On.
Wow.
マジできる。
まあ、何？
まだ
Good job. Smooth like butter.
I made my
Of
own
course.
bed.
Team stole that. Oh, that's a copy.
Copy? Copy? Okay, I'm sorry.
Did you see my technique? So uede, cut, and flip. That was way too easy, because it was like small enough to handle it. So we had to think about a workaround. So that's what we came up with. So yeah.
Okay. 見て。
So you take a basket and you pick like the things you want.
I think so.
Nice, yeah. Fresh vegetables. Like you said, every Saturday.
こうなったりこうなったりしないようにまっすぐ貫通させて回しながらそう
Easy. Easy.
ちょっと危なかったね。
Done. You wanna try it? じゃあちょっと。
あ、ちょっとね。あ、OK。
OK。
OK。
こっちがいい。じゃあこ
はい、どう。Good job.
う。We're up.
じゃあ、actually, there's our LanCul 英会話 session upstairs here.
Yeah.
So why don't we show the members
Yeah,
what
actually,
we
yeah,
made,
yeah, let's show
right?
them, let's show
them. Like it.
And ask them which is better.
So,
Oh my
they should rate
God.
it, yeah.
It's a competition now.
Okay.
So
Hi
they-
guys.
Hey guys. Okay, so we are here at the session of LanCul. People sitting here having conversations, and we want to show them what we did actually.
Hi. What do you think?
Which one would you? This one? Okay, so
convenient for me.
Yeah.
Which one do you like? I like this one
Oh my god, okay, there you go. There you go. Why would you pick this one then?
because I can use multiple ways.
Okay, yeah, true. I guess it's an equal thing then. You did a good
Yeah.
job. Thank you guys.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy the session.
Enjoy the
Thank you.
session.
Thank
Long time
you.
no see. Oh, it's pretty sturdy actually. It's really. 今日は東京の上野にあるルートブックスカフェさんにお邪魔してこの木工体験をしてみました。でここのカフェですね、いろんな植物が綺麗にね飾ってあって売ってあったりとか、あとは本がたくさん並んでいたりとか、それだけじゃなくて結構イベントもやってます。今日やった木工体験もそうですし、上では実は陶芸体験もできますし、あとはクラフターズマーケットっていういろんな職人さんたちのお店が出るようなマーケットとかも開催しておりますので、概要欄に全ていろいろねまとめていきますので、気になるなっていう方はぜひチェックしてみてください。そして私たちの英会話カフェLanCulもここで開催をしてますので、もし気になる方がいたらぜひチェックしてみてください。
Alright guys, let us know in the
Let us
comments.
know in the
Yeah,
comments.
which one would you pick? Okay. Anyway guys, if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, ring the bell, and you get notified and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
バイ。木工。
Like first they weigh themselves.
35では必要できない。35は2。
That's
Wow.
that's all.
17